Hey guys, here I watched my latest video about the one trench knife review, and for some reason the iMac camera on the engine was really kind of loud, so you couldn't really hear my voice. So I'll try to lift my voice higher in this episode. So yeah, so this review is gonna be a Tech Force. Yeah, it's another assisted knife. I really like Tech Force because they're cheap and they're always so good. That's why I like it. These holes have dust in them. That's not really a big deal, but if you want it to be always clean, then that's what I probably do. I'll definitely, yeah, glass breaker, under breaker, seatbelt cutter right here. Good grip, very good grip. It's a sharp knife. It was a sharp knife. I used it a lot. Yeah. And the point was kind of sharp a little bit. But it's not sharp anymore. It's Tech Force, as you can see, hopefully. It's a good knife. It's a emergency medical tube, EMT. The paint job is a little sloppy on here. Right here, it's a little sloppy. Let's see. Oh, the biggest disappointment about this is a very good knife. I really like it. Yeah, it was $13. When I bought it. It was on Amazon. I think it lowered, but it was made in China. It's stainless steel. Here's the disappointment. The clip. It's very loose. It's very loose. I hated about that. That's what was really bad. And I really want to carry this around everywhere I went, and I didn't get to because the spring is very strong and powerful, fast, and it's like less than a second. The teeth are good, they're pretty sharp. Yeah, it's a good knife. Yeah. What else? Excuse me. You can open it one time. I mean, it's pretty easy to practice. I used to do it. I forget how. Oh, three was open it. This way. Use a forward knife. And then there's also eggs, which are one of my favorites. Yeah, I really like that one. This is just like. Yeah. So this was a review on a really good knife. I'll probably rate like 4 stars. Definitely recommend this. I'm buying it if you want a good, long, tactical, and emergency knife. Yeah, it's cheap. It's good. So, and the paint has come off a little bit right here, not much. So I've had this for about a year. It's good. Okay, so come rate and subscribe. Have a good day. Thank you for watching.